In aerospace and high-performance automotive manufacturing, one machine is critical for reliable composites, the industrial autoclave. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how it turns layered fibers into a high-quality part. An autoclave is a pressurized vessel that tightly controls pressure, temperature, and time, often combined with vacuum through a vacuum bag. The goal is simple: consolidate the laminate, reduce voids, and control resin curing for repeatable performance. The typical workflow starts with layup, manual or automated. Then the part is vacuum bagged with the right consumables, leak checked, and loaded into the autoclave. During the cure cycle, temperature follows ramps and holes, while external pressure compacts the laminate. The result? A more uniform structure, better stability, and stronger repeatability. In aerospace, autoclaves remain widely used because the target is certification-level quality, strict procedures, full traceability, and robust inspection. In automotive, autoclaves are common in limited runs, premium parts, and motorsport, where performance matters more than cycle time and cost. What separates industrial production from trial and error is proof. The cure cycle is recorded: pressure, temperature, time, and vacuum level, and linked to each part. Then come the quality checks, visual inspection, dimensional checks, and sometimes non-destructive testing depending on requirements. And remember, an autoclave is also pressure equipment. Safety, maintenance, and compliance are not optional. They are the foundation of professional operation. If you want part 2, I'll cover typical defects, voids, vacuum leaks, delamination, and the best practices to prevent them. Subscribe for the next video. Traceability ensures every part meets the rigorous standards required for flight safety and performance. In the automotive world, these machines are reserved for parts where every gram of weight savings counts. From Formula One to luxury hypercars, the autoclave is the gold standard for structural integrity. Monitoring every variable is essential. A single deviation in pressure or heat can compromise the entire batch. This digital birth certificate of the part is what allows for the high-level certification needed in aerospace. Post-cure inspection is where the precision of the process is finally verified by expert eyes. Dimensional accuracy is checked down to the micron to ensure perfect fit and function. Non-destructive testing reveals any internal flaws that aren't visible on the surface. Operating at such high pressures requires uncompromising safety standards and regular maintenance. Every seal and sensor is part of a critical safety chain that must be maintained to prevent failure. Compliance with international pressure vessel codes ensures the safety of the entire facility. Stay tuned for our next deep dive into common defects and how to master the curing process.